everybody, welcome to ACC Mumbai once again. How have you been? I hope you're having a wonderful weekend today. So people, we have started the chapter linear equations in one variable. We have proceeded with the exercise 2.1 and today we are continuing with exercise 2.2, which is page number 19. Before we proceed, I request you to please comment and subscribe to my channel for further updates, and if you like my channel, please support me by giving me a thumbs up. So friends, today we shall do the 4 questions 7, 8, 9, 10 of exercise 2.2, page number 19. Let's begin. We have the first question, which is 3 bracket 3 minus t minus 3 equals 5 2t plus 1. In this first equation, we observe the variable is t on both the sides of the equation. So, as we would observe, the very first thing would be to open the bracket. I open the bracket, 3t minus 3 into 3 equals 5 into 2t plus 5 ones are 5. I proceed ahead. 3t minus 3 times 3 is 9 equals 5 into 2t is 10t plus, which is 5. Now comes into picture taking like terms together. Preferably, since 10t is higher than 3t, we would appreciate if you could keep this term as it is. We take 3t on the other side, and this now plus minus 9 is kept over here, equals plus 5 comes over here, becomes minus 5. 10t is untouched, it hasn't been changed. 3t comes over here, becomes 3t. Positive 3t goes over there, becomes minus 3t. Minus 5 minus 9 becomes minus 14 equals 10 minus 3t is 7t. We need a variable. I keep t over here. This is minus 14. 7 and t were being multiplied. 7 would come in the denominator. Finally, I have my answer. We know 3 1s, 7 1s and 7 2s is 14. So I see t equals minus 2. Box it. This is my answer. So for the 7th question, I have the answer as 3 equals minus 2. We have a good look once again over here. 3 into t minus 3 equals 5 2t plus 1. Please have a good look. We have the final answer as t equals minus 2. Let's proceed. We have done one question. We have 8, 9, 10, 10. Let's go ahead. Please take it over. And with these 3 equations, we shall finish the chapter linear equations in one variable. The 8th question. Equation 8, which is exercise 2.2, once again, page 19. I will say 15 y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 equals 0. Y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus y plus 5 y plus 6 equals 0. Let us open the bracket. 15 y minus 15 4s are 60. 4 times 5, 15 is 60. 15 into 4 is 60 minus 2y minus multiplied by minus becomes plus 2 into 9. 9 times 2 is 18. I straightaway write the answer rather than writing 18. 9 into 2, which is 9 2s are 18, plus 5y plus 5 6 times is 630. 5 into 6 is 30. 5y plus 30 equals 0. I take the like terms together. 15y minus 2y plus 5y. These three terms are the like terms. I will say 15y minus 2y plus 5y equals, I can take the terms which are purely the numbers on the right hand side. I take minus 60 plus 18 plus 30. So this becomes minus 60 becomes 60 plus 18 becomes minus 18 plus 30 becomes minus 30, which will straight away give us the answer for y. I'll say 15y minus 2y plus 5. For our convenience, we shall take the terms which are positive. 15y plus 5y is 20y. 20y minus 2y is 18y. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. 18y equals 60 minus 18 minus 30. Minus 18 minus 30 is 48. Minus 48. So when I say minus 48, this is 60 minus 48. I say 18y equals, if I observe 60 minus 48 is 12. 60 minus 12 is 48. Y equals 12 over 18, which means I can say 6 into 2, 6 into 3. I can divide the ratio, the fraction by 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 6 into 3 is 18. So I say the value of y is 2 over 3. There you go. The final answer for this equation is the value for y is 2 over 3. 15 y minus 4 into minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 equals 0. We have solved this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Within 4 to 5 steps we get the answer. This is the 8th equation of exercise 2.2. We go for the second last one, which is the 9th one. Let's go for it. So friends, now we have the 9th equation which is on the board. Let's see. 3 times 5z minus 7 minus 2 times 9z minus 11 equals 4 times 8z minus 13 minus 17. Let us proceed, and I will open the bracket. 5 into 3 is 15z minus 7 into 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21 minus 2 into 9 is 18z, minus into minus becomes plus, negative into negative is positive, which is 22, equals 4 times 8 is 32, 32z, minus 13 times 4 is 52, minus 17. Alright, we have this equation over here. Let us take the like terms together. 15z minus 18z. 18 is a larger number with the negative sign, so I will subtract 15 from 18. However, put the sign of negative. Minus 3z. Minus 21 plus 22 becomes plus 1. Since we say 22 is the larger number, 22 minus 21 is purely 1. 3z minus 3z plus 1 equals 32z minus 52 minus 17. Both are negative. I took the sign of negative. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 7 is 9, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have 32z minus 69. Let's continue. 32z, if I take this over here, this is 1. If I keep this 1 as it is, and the negative 69, I bring it over here, equals, since 32 is a higher number, I am keeping this intact, so I don't touch this, I just keep this, and minus 3z goes on the other side, becomes positive. Alright, there you go. 1 plus 69 is 70 equals 32 plus 3 is 35. Finally, we see 70 over 35 is my value for z, which we can always observe 35 once, 35 two. 2 times 35 is 70. So I have my final answer of this equation. Z is 2. There you go. We have boxed this question, the answer for that matter, and we have the ninth question. 5 times 3z minus 7 minus 2 times 9z minus 11 equals 4 8z minus 13 minus 17. We calculated this and finally we got the answer as z is minus 2. Let us continue. Final equation of the chapter number 2, which is linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.2. 0.25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 equals 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Looking at this equation, what do you observe? We observe that we have a decimal number on the left hand side as well as a decimal number on the right hand side. It would be appreciated if you remove the decimal sign on both the sides before we proceed with the calculation. So I will take the negative and this. It would be preferred to get the decimal out of this number by multiplying it with 100. So I will multiply this with 100, and at the same time I will also multiply this with 100. In mathematics, we know any operation done on both the sides of equation doesn't hamper the equation and the value of the equation remains the same. So I would say this is nothing but 25 4f minus 3 equals 5 10f minus 9. Within one step, I have tried to remove the negative sign successfully, and we have made the equation as 25 4f minus 3 getting multiplied with each other and 5 getting multiplied with 10f minus 9. Before we proceed by opening the brackets, it would be preferred to bring this 5 over here and it becomes in division. This becomes 25 over 5 into 4f minus 3 equals simply 10f minus 9. Alright, we see for 25 over 5, if I observe this is 5 ones, 5 times 5 is 25. So this gives me 5 4f, 5 is multiplied by 4f minus 3 equals 10f minus 9. We had begun with the decimal number, we had the bracket, we opened the bracket, we have the answer as 5 into 4 is 20, f minus 5 into 3 is 15 equals 10f minus 9, and I will take this 10f over here which becomes negative, so I will say 20f minus 10f equals negative 9. The left hand side has the number minus 15. This minus 15 shall go on the right hand side and become positive. So we have 10 minus 20 minus 10f, which is purely 10f. This is 10f equals 15 minus 9. If we say 15 minus 9 with the positive side is plus 6. Minus 9, 15 minus 9 is 6. I have the final answer of it as 6 over 10, and if you reduce the number 3 times 2 and 5 times 2, I have the answer of f as the value of f comes to be as 3 over 5, which is a rational number and it's a fraction. So friends, with this we have seen all the questions of this chapter, linear equations in one variable. We have done exercise 2.1, also 2.2, which is on page number 19. In the next lecture, we shall proceed with the new chapter of the same. We have finished exercises 2.1 and 2.2 of the chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. In the next lecture, we shall begin a new chapter of the same textbook, class 8 NCERT mathematics. Till then, take good care of yourself. If you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you receive all the fantastic updates on the newly uploaded videos of all the chapters of mathematics of class 8 NCERT. All the very best. Keep rocking. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. This is Abhinandan signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead. Hasta la vista. Thank you.